Joining us now is Michael Markowski. He's the founder of something called Shiny Pennies. Michael, welcome back to the program.
Great to be with you, Donna, again, as usual.
Well, you're an old friend of the program. You've been on many times. For those seeing you for the first time, though, what's Shiny Pennies all about?
Shiny Pennies is a website, shiny-pennies.com, that specializes exclusively on recommending penny stocks. We write up research reports. We give targets. We tell you the price to buy the shares at. We tell you, what with the whole shooting match. And I put the site together because in my 43 years in the business, since I've been on Wall Street since 1977, some of my biggest winners have been penny stocks. So I love penny stocks. I like the kind of stocks on your show. I watch your show regularly. There's a stock that you had on your show, InvestView, that we recommended, that has gone up significantly in price. And I anticipate we're putting the research, we're updating our research on it, report, and everybody can go to the site and get a free subscription. But this InvestView that's been on your show, we're projecting the shares to go probably double, triple, quadruple. So I encourage everybody to go to shiny-pennies.com. Now, another thing I want to talk about today is that I've done a lot of, I'm an expert on secular bull and bear markets. I've studied them all back since 1802. And we are currently in a secular bear market. This is the current rally since March has been a cyclical bull rally and a secular bear. And that's important because the best stocks that perform the best in a secular bear market are penny stocks. So it's time for the stocks on your show to shine. In 2021, I think some of the biggest winners in the market will be some of those stocks that you've had on your show for the last year or two on MoneyTV. They're going to be the biggest winners because in a secular bear, people get discouraged with big stocks that continuously trend lower and than their prices because they're overvalued, which the market is way overvalued right now based upon a couple of my algorithms that I'm now monitoring for the market. Yeah, so it's 2021 is going to be a big year for MoneyTV and all the stocks that it features on there.
Well, we're coming off and getting very close to the end of the strangest year in our lifetimes. So you're very optimistic about next year?
Yeah, I'm very optimistic. I think that we're going to have a very good year for penny stocks and low price stocks next year. And those who watch your show, you're going to be handsomely rewarded by really focusing in on these penny stocks and lower price stock shares you have on the show.
Do you think it's sector specific or is it across the board entirely?
It's going to be pretty much across the board. Yeah, across the board. Anything that's involved with obviously the digital is going to probably do very, very well. But for the most part, yeah, most low price stocks are going to do very well in the environment we're moving into.
Once again, the website is Shiny Pennies,
shiny-pennies.com. You see, when people start losing money in the big stocks in the market, they'll gravitate towards the lower price stocks. And by the way, a lot of the big stocks that are overpriced will start crashing the prices down. So a lot of $10 stocks will become $2 stocks. And that's where the market will gravitate to the lower price stocks to get their money back. It's like when you lose all your money, betting at poker in Las Vegas, the poker table, you take your change left before you get on the plane and you're playing the slots at the airport, to win the million, to put a quarter in $1 million or put a silver dollar in to win $1 million. I mean, that's the theory. So you're going to have more demand for penny stocks than you've ever seen probably in the last 10 years next year.
Once again, the website is shiny-pennies.com. Michael, your insight's always valuable. Thanks for joining us.
Okay, thanks, Don.